Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it's just super late in the month, I've been very busy, you know, the usual. Now, this is going to be the Boxycharm base unboxing, even though, you know, clearly says Ipsy has, I guess, fully taken over. I'm still vague on the details, whatever, we're just gonna jump into it. This is April's box, and I already took everything out the packaging just to save time. So we have the Natasha Denona Alloy palette. Now, I believe I did pick this. Here are the shades. I love Natasha Denona's mattes. Her shimmers, however, it's always 50-50 because some of them contain talc, some of them don't. So, and looking at the ingredients in the back, these shimmers do contain talc, so I will just tape over those two shimmers and I'll be more than happy just to use the mattes. So I have other shimmers in my collections I can pull in to make a complete look, so I'm not worried about it. Another item is the item I chose. This is the LYS Cream Stick Bronzer. Now, my ick about this is when it was, I guess, in shipping, packet, transit, whatever, it got knocked around and I'm missing a nice chunk off the top. I mean, of course it's still usable, I can still use it, but it's a bummer because I'm missing some of the product. But in which case, I cleaned out the cap as best as I could, as you can see. But overall, I'm still excited to use this. I have their powder bronzer, so, and I do like that. So far, everything I have tried from the brand I do love, so I'm excited to add this into my collection. The next item is, I believe, another item I chose. Did I choose this? I think I chose this, I'm not sure. This is talc free. I probably did this because the fact that it's talc free. It is a setting powder. It does say translucent, but it has a pinky tinge to it. So we will see. Anyway, moving on. Then we have a brow gel. This is tinted, so, you know, not much to say about that. Could always use more brow products. Then we have two skincare items. We have a pear serum oil. Now, I do have another oil from this brand, and it's kind of like a pinkish packaging, and I do use it. I do like it. I don't love it. I don't hate it. It's nice to have. I do enjoy it, so I just don't love it. I don't know what to say about that. But it's a face oil. Another item I'm super excited about is this from JLo Beauty. Now, Jennifer Lopez has her own skincare line. She has for, I think, a little over a year now. And this is the eye cream. Sorry, excuse the coughing. I'm just having one of those days. So that's it. Now this little, this is not protecting that thing. I don't know why. They should just kept the bubble wrap, because that is a complete waste. Anyway, we also got this. Now, unfortunately, there was no card or anything telling me the prices of each of the items, so I don't have that information to give you guys unless I do some digging and search up each individual product on its own to look for the pricing. If I do have time to do so, I'll try to include it in the video as usual. If not, I'm sorry. Just search the brand and I guess find it yourself. I mean, most of the stuff you can find at Sephora, except you cannot technically get this palette itself. I mean, you could buy Natasha Denona palettes from Sephora and now Ulta, but this specific palette is like a Boxy exclusive, if I'm not mistaken. Moving on. The only pamphlet that came in this box was this little newsletter type thing. And real quick, I looked at the back, and next month is what would have been Boxy Premium, but now it's called like the Icon box. So anyway, the icon for next month is going to be Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills herself. And I'm assuming some of these are sneak peek items that are going to be in the box. So I already have this palette, so if I do get that palette again, I'll pass it along or put it in, you know, my giveaway pile, which is slowly growing. I have not tried this product right there, which is her cream bronzer. So I would be super excited to try that. This looks like another JLo Beauty skincare item. I don't know what that is. Hopefully it's the moisturizer. Me and my mom slowly want to collect like everything for the JLo skincare, so we don't gotta pay for it. We could just slowly get it in the boxes. That would be awesome. Now opening this up. I hope you can see most of it. There you go. Take a quick look. I really don't want to read all of this. You'll be here forever. But at the bottom, as you can see, there's like a little timeline thing. And basically, choices now are going to be every second and third of the month, which is nice. Because I feel like before, it was kind of like all over the place. So now we have a designated day. That's nice. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, sorry for the video, but I hope you'll be even more excited for next video because it's going to be my Sephora unboxing. I had full intentions of doing a Sephora recommendations video. I just didn't get around to doing so. I'm sorry. I can't stress enough how pressed for time I feel I've been lately. And it's just, again, I won't go into detail, but I will have the Sephora unboxing up of everything I purchased during the sale. It won't be nothing big because, you know, inflation and prices nowadays are like through the roof. Cannot. But there will be a small haul, so stay tuned and have a good one. Bye.